Welcome to viewers. In this video we will solve three important sums on ratio and proportion. In the first two sums we will be solving two equations using the properties of ratio and proportion. So let's start with question number 1 here. Using properties of proportion, solve for x given that x to the power 4 plus 1 divided by twice x square equal to 17 upon 8. So we were given x to the power 4 plus 1 divided by twice x square equal to 17 divided by 8. Now let us recall the property of componendo and dividendo. If a by b equal to c by d, then we find a plus b by a minus b equal to c plus d by c minus d. This property is called componendo and dividendo. So using componendo and dividendo, we'll treat this as a, this is b, so it is a plus b divided by a x to the power 4 plus 1, this is a minus b. On the right hand side, c plus d, that means 17 plus 8 divided by 17 minus 8. So this implies that x to the power 4, this can be written as x square whole square. So middle term is twice of x square multiplied by 1. Then third term can be written as 1 means 1 square. So we are comparing this with a square plus twice of a b plus b square. And denominator can be written as x square whole square minus twice of x square multiplied by 1 plus b square means 1 square. On the right hand side you find this is 25 divided by 9. So numerator can be written as a plus b whole square. Denominator can be written as a minus b whole square. On the right hand side you can write it as 5 by 3 whole square. Now let us take square root on both sides, taking square root on both sides. So if you take positive square root, you will find x square plus 1 divided by x square minus 1 equal to 5 by 3. Right? Now you see, again you can use the property of componendo and dividendo. So let us use that property here. A by b, so it is a square a plus b divided by a minus b. This is a plus b by a minus b. So it is 5 plus 3 divided by 5 minus 3. So this becomes twice of x square, and denominator it becomes 2. On the right hand side it becomes 8 by 2. So you finally find x square equal to 4. So what is x? Square root of 4. That means plus minus 2. So answer is x equal to 2 or x equal to minus 2. Right? So this is the solution of this equation. So we are solving this equation using the properties of ratio and proportion, using the property of componendo and dividendo. So we are using this property two times here. First in this test, again you are using the same property in this test. right? Let's come to next question here. Solve 3x plus square root of 9x square minus 5 divided by 3x minus 9x square minus 5 equal to 5. Now let us solve this. 3x plus 9x square minus 5 divided by 3x minus 9x square minus 5 equal to 5. So you can use the property of componendo and dividendo here. If you treat this as a, this is b, a plus b divided by a minus b, right? Before that, you can do one thing here. You can also rationalize the denominator. So if you rationalize the denominator, you remember this property. Say for example, 1 by square root of 3 minus square root of 2. So how will you rationalize the denominator? Let us treat this as a minus b. So it is a minus b. We will multiply this by a plus b. So numerator also you do the same thing. That means both numerator and denominator you are multiplying the same factor. Right? Now it becomes a square minus b square, 3 minus 2, and numerator it becomes square root of 3 plus square root of 2. So it is, answer is square root of 3 plus square root of 2. This is the answer, rationalizing the denominator. Same thing you can do here. This implies that we will multiply this by 3x minus square root of 9x square minus 5 multiplied by a plus b. A plus b, 9x square minus 5. Here, so in denominator we are multiplying this factor. Same thing we will multiply in the numerator also. 3x plus square root of 9x square minus 5 multiplied by this factor. 3x plus square root of 9x square minus 5. Now let us simplify this. A minus b into a plus b. So it becomes a square minus b square, 9x square minus 5 whole square. Now it becomes a plus b into a plus b. So it is a plus b whole square. That means a square plus twice of a into b. B means 9x square minus 5 plus b square. B square means this square of this. So it becomes 9x square minus 5. Right hand side is same 5. Now the denominator it becomes 9x square. After squaring this it becomes 9x square minus 5. It becomes 9x square plus 6x multiplied by 9x square minus 5 plus 9x square minus 5. Now the denominator it becomes 5 and numerator it becomes 9x square 18x square plus 6x multiplied by 9x square minus 5 minus 5 equal to 5. So it becomes 18x square plus 6x square root of 9x square minus 5 equal to minus 5 equal to 25. Then it becomes 18 x square minus 30 equal to 6x multiplied by 9x square minus 5. Right? Now you see both sides you can divide by 6. 3x square minus 5 equal to x multiplied by 9x square minus 5. Now let us square both sides. If you square both sides, 3x square minus 5 whole square equal to x multiplied by 9x square minus 5 whole square. So it becomes a square means 9x to the power 4 minus twice of ab, 2 3 is 6, 5 is 30, x square plus b square 25. On the right hand side it becomes x square multiplied by 9x square minus 5, right? So after simplification it becomes 9x to the power 4 minus 30x square plus 25 equal to, this becomes 9x to the power 4 minus 5x square. So you can cancel out similar terms here. Now it becomes 30x square minus 5x square equal to 25. Then it becomes 25x square equal to 25. So it becomes x square equal to 1. So what is x? X equal to plus minus square root of 1 means plus minus 1. So answer is either it is plus 1 or it is minus 1. Now let's come to third question. If a equal to 4 multiplied by square root of 6 upon square root of 2 plus square root of 3, find a plus 2 root 2 divided by a minus 2 root 2 plus a plus 2 root 3 divided by a minus 2 root 3. We have to find out this. So you are given that a equal to 4 root 6 divided by square root of 2 plus square root of 3. Now let's see here, a equal to, we can factorize this, 2 into 2 into square root of 2 multiplied by square root of 3. Square root of 2 multiplied by square root of 3 equal to root 6 divided by square root of 2 plus square root of 3. Then you can again write here 2 root 2 multiplied by 2 root 3 divided by square root of 2 plus square root of 3. Now let us divide both sides by square 2 root 2. A divided by 2 root 2 equal to, right hand side you see 2 root 2 root 2 plus root 3, 2 root 2 multiplied by 2 root 3. So this and this cancel out. So you got a by 2 root 2 equal to 2 root 3 divided by root 2 plus root 3. Now let us use the property of component and dividendo. Then you will find this a by b equal to c by d. So you can write it as a plus b by a minus b equal to c plus d by c minus d. So you use that property. This implies that a plus b divided by a minus b equal to, this is c plus d 2 root 3 c plus d divided by c minus d. So it becomes a plus 2 root 2 divided by a minus 2 root 2 equal to, this becomes root 2 plus 3 root 3, then it becomes root 3 minus root 2, right? So you got the first part here. Now you will find the second part here. Again, let's say this is 1. From 1 again you will get a by, this time you divide both sides by 2 root 3. A divided by 2 root 3. On the right hand side, 2 root 2 multiplied by 2 root 3. You divide by 2 root 3 both sides, so it becomes this. Now this will cancel each other. Now let us use the component and dividendo. You will get here a plus 2 root 3 divided by a minus 2 root 3. That means this part. On the right hand side, you will get a plus b. That means 3 root 2 plus root 3. Then a minus b. A minus b. That means root 2 minus root 3. Right? This is say 3, and this part say it is 2. Right? Now let us add 2 and 3. 2 plus 3. This gives left hand side a plus 2 root 2 divided by a minus 2 root 2. Here also left hand side a plus 2 root 3 divided by a minus 2 root 3 equal to right hand side plus right hand side. Right hand side here root 2 plus 3 root 3 divided by root 3 minus root 2 plus here right hand side is root 2 minus root 3. Numerator is 3 root 2 plus root 3. Now you can write it like root 3 minus root 2, root 2 plus 3 root 3. So if you change this order, this will becomes negative, right? So root 3 minus root 2. So 3 root 2 plus root 3. Now denominator is same, so you can take it as an LCM. Root 3 minus root 2, root 2 plus 3 root 3 minus 3 root 2 minus root 3. So denominator is again root 3 minus root 2. It becomes root 2 minus 3 root 2. That means 2 root 2. 3 root 3 minus root 3, 2 root 3. So taking 2 as a common factor, root 3 minus root 2 divided by root 3 minus root 2. So answer is 2. So this is the answer. So a plus 2 root 2 divided by a minus 2 root 2 plus a plus 2 root 3 by a minus 2 root 3 equal to 2. So thank you viewers for watching this video. These sums are very important. Hope you enjoyed these sums. As of now, bye bye.